Hi guys! Ang hina. Hi guys! Welcome back to another vlog. Thursday, May 18, 4:07 p.m. And I just turned in my final essay for the junior 1 semester. Medyo matagal ko na din silang di nakita because we've been so busy with like nursing and stuff. Ayun na siya, guys. So, we don't know where we're going. Di pa namin alam kung saan kami pupunta. As usual. Pero we'll see. This is the look for today. Yung outfit ko medyo di ko bet yung color. Like, medyo masyadong colorful for me. Pero, ayoko na guys. Na-stress lang ako maghanap ng outfit. Kanina pa ako naghahanap. Yan na nga, tiga mo na, oh. Oh. Pack. Super messy. Oh, guys. Tapos ka na?
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah.
For sure?
Tapos na ako.
Cutie naman. Tara, we're gonna go. Okay, bye. Bye. Guys, ang tagal niya magbihis. Ay.
Diba pinapakita mo naman siya mo? Tara.
Hindi ka na.
Tapos ka naman, di ba?
Yeah.
Sa kanya ngayon?
Ayun na siya. Oh, kawawa na. Oh my God.
You don't drive it anymore?
No. Kasi more problems lang daw.
Ano po?
Kasa pa. Yung pangit.
Tatanggalin ko. That's the map.
Let's... Kawawa naman si Bulat. Gano'n na lang.
You know, there's a device
And then they
in
got
Amazon
the...
where you could fucking...
Pero sobrang normal ng ganyan sa ano eh. Sa SF, diba?
Yeah, pero sa Ocean Beach?
Yeah, hindi kasi house tour.
Tinalo mo yung Yelp. Ay, bukas na. Pero makulog na. Ayun mo talaga nilakasan. Yung kanina nila.
Favorite.
Ikaw ang daan. Lumiliman ang paligid.
Kumanta din.
Everything okay?
Yeah.
Want me to help you with that?
What's more famous? The spicy tofu.
I personally like the tofu.
Okay. Can I get the spicy tofu too?
Of course.
Corn cheese. Gusto mo?
Yeah.
Very good. Ay, naku yan. At least with kids, you're off 2 minutes after.
Oh, wala siyang full. Wala cheese full. Hi. Halfway pa lang full na ako. Pinipilit na lang nila ako, guys. Ano masasabi mo? At pinipilit mo ako kumain.
Guys, $39.
Tapos?
Kailangan nyo kumain ng malala. Lagay mo na tayo yan. Tawid na tayo dali. Hindi, tadyo kay boss.
We're at Japantown. Guys, naghahanap ako ng jacket. Wala akong mahanap.
Basta yun.
Wala akong mahanap na jacket.
So, kabila.
Sad. Sige.
Right.
Include the just one reference 24.99. Include the image 29.
Oh, okay.
Alright.
Di ba papalit na ako? You think so?
It is. How can you say no to this? I know.
Look at this.
Cute kaya. Hello. Ayun yung maglagay ng printed. Ang ganda-ganda eh. Oh my God. Oh my God. Magpe-paint ka. Siyempre.
Oh, right. Of course. And you can, or is it like this? Yes, yes. Here is the pattern.
Tingnan mo yung design comes. Ang cute. Ano pingin mo? Pero mo. Pangit ba?
Right here?
Maybe lower. Lower.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Or, yeah, that's fine.
Right on here, right?
Oh, that's so cute.
Yeah. Okay na ba yun? Yeah. Okay.
Are you sure, right?
Yeah.
Hindi mo man alam yung pangalan. Go lang dyan.
Sino yan? Hindi mo.
Anong pangalan? Si Ate Girl.
Ayun, bilis guys. Ay, akala ko tapos na.
Balik nga ako dito. Palamig.
Guys, kami na lang natira dito sa store. Pina-close na nila. Pinasara na nila. Kasi ginagawa pa yung jacket. Customized hoodie. Cool down daw. Yan. Thank you! You wanna say hi?
Hi.
Thank you for being patient.
Oh,
Hi!
are you a YouTuber?
Just for fun. Yan guys. Naantay na lang siya. Oh, should I pay na?
Ano?
Hindi na pa sila nag-aantay. Dito pa din kami guys. Mag-aantay. Kami na yung nahuhuling ano dito. Tao. Hindi ba nila ako naintindihan? So bumili ako. So I bought like a hoodie sweater kasi nilalamig ako. Wala akong jacket. Tapos magti-twin peaks daw kami mamaya. So hopefully huh? Just there you go. Yay! That's so cute. Thank you.
Kasi ang
yung hoodie lang yun. Bye guys. Thank you. Bakit?
Cute! Tingnan mo!
What is that? What did you get?
It's a pudding. Gusto mo try?
Oh. We are at Japantown. It's 7:23 p.m. and May 18, Thursday. May 18, magko-close na lahat ng shop. As you can see, but we're still here. And why are you laughing at me? Aray, nahilo ako dito ginawa ko. I know.
Tikman mo!
Tingnan na. Why is it?
Tingnan mo ako na spoon.
Okay, can you get a spoon? Okay, tayo.
Yeah.
Bakit?
You do the honors.
Oh, you do it.
Oh my God. Ikaw na.
May hawak sa camera ko.
It's for the vlog.
So this is the coconut pudding with mango.
Oh, you wanna do it?
And now Zarina is gonna mix.
Mix. Parang maghalo-halo yung tamis.
Stir it up,
With the
girl.
mango.
Wow.
Aesthetic yun.
Aesthetic. Aesthetic.
See, tignan mo.
You see
May
the
taps
mixture? Yeah.
Dapat binabayaran
Akala mo
nila
talaga
tayo.
first time? Okay na ba?
Taste test.
Kinuha yung
Taste
mango.
test ni
Ba't
Za.
ba yung mango?
Taste
Okay, thank you
test.
guys.
Tikman
Wait,
mo
Girl,
ah.
ang dami nito.
Taste test.
Ang dami. Kasi naman sabihin.
Ba't mo tinapon?
Masarap from 1 to 10. Would you buy it again?
9.
Oh.
Masarap na siya with mango. Tikman mo. 10.
Pak,
Naduduling ako.
yeah, it's very yummy. It's coconut and mango.
Mas masarap na siya. Tingnan mo.
Sana walang pores.
I know, right? Hindi kasi siya nag-makeup.
Then you go like that.
Wow, okay,
the
try.
tower.
Bago yun.
Yeah.
I actually took photography class.
Yes.
When I'm with you, how can I start this moment? You're just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you.
Change outfits. May ma-change outfits.
That's how I get here. I'm like your man. I'm still letting go.
Pero like this specifically, ito. Parang hindi siya yung judgment na ano. Alam mo yun, Susan?
I don't wanna know if you're playing me.
Lamig. So foggy, guys.
Wow, the view is so
Ganda to na.
Ang view.
We came at the right time.
Is this what heavens look like?
Perfect yung angel.
Parang wrong grammar.
Go! Oh, God,
Bago ka, huwag kang magliling mo mamaya ng ganyan. Nasa edge tayo mamaya.
Ginagawang Mario Kart lang ni Chelsea itong ano eh. So cold!
Ang tayo galing oh. Kung asan yung white na yan?
Welcome to Twin Peaks. Again. Wala tayong view.
Ay naku, Lord.
We're freezing. It's malamig. Para kang nasa mundo ng heaven. Dito. Look guys. Oh. Lumuwag na kami because it's so cold outside. It's so cold. It's so cold. Kasi nadating yung tita. Today? Tomorrow. Where? From Canada. Uganda? Canada. Oh! Ano Uganda? Hi guys! Sana kayo today. 9:38 na and we're just swimming. Ako magdidip na. Oh, it's so hot. Jacuzzi nga eh. Oh my God. Ah!
Oh my God, it feels so good, guys. Tapos let's go to the swimming pool later. What song is that?
Freshman.
The No, my.
Basta
I'm
mag-post.
gonna act like I'm gonna jump. 1,
1, 2, 3. Wait, isa pa. Last na. Layo ka na. Ayan. Magkakalayo tayo. Ayan. Ready? Ito na yung the best. 1, 2, 3, smile. 1, 2, 3, smile. 1, 2, 3, smile. 1, 2, 3, smile. Ikulin kayo maganda. Look.
So good.
Okay.
That's so good.
Oh, my girl.
It's like all my stress. Dish Didi, right?
Yeah.
The cup is Didi. And
I'm
the
not sure.
tapos
Something
yung
like that with
ganon
the band.
36.
Patanungin niyo ako.
Wala na alam na namin.
Maganda ka naman.
Negative. Negative.
Ano Ano lasa niyan? Lasa alak or?
It's very slippery.
Yung makeup ko, guys.
Bring ka next week.
Bawal nga. Mukhang di ko punta dito best.
Gabi ka kailan? Kailan ka ba free that?
I can do once. Kailan tayo po Wednesday, no?
Huwag ng tao. Hindi ako magtatawag ng tao.
So, basically tayo lang.
Makeup ka. Hindi man basa.
So,
Dating na
wine night. Yan, sisimulan na ni Chelsea.
Let's show it and let's
Yung pato mo ng mukha ko dyan.
say cheers for our summer and finishing our nursing semester.
Yeah! Totoo.
It was hell but we
I
survived.
know.
Cheers! Kampai!
picture.
Pero, this is my favorite. Regina.
No!
Ay. Bye, vlog! We're gonna make chika na.
Good night! We're gonna marites.
Ano na?
We're gonna marites. Bye!
Natamaan ko.